Strong. Nope. Hi, I'm Kristen Horler with our Mom Strong Entrepreneur Network, and tonight I have the very special privilege of interviewing Rachel Cannon. Hi, Rachel.
Hello.
We just had a wonderful learn how to brew your own kombucha class with you tonight right here at Wild Ginger Apothecary. Can you introduce yourself and a little bit about your business, please?
Yeah, sure. I'm Rachel Cannon, and I'm founder and co-owner at Unity Vibration. We are a kombucha business, and we are located in Michigan. We make kombucha tea and kombucha wild ale.
Now, I discovered you guys last year when I was finishing grad school, and I picked up a bottle of your ginger kombucha beer. Absolutely fell in love with it. Best stuff ever, especially if you can't have any wheat or gluten or regular beer. It is fantastic, and now tonight I got to try a bunch of your other flavors too as well. So you're a mom. How many kids do you have?
I have 4 kids.
Oh boy, so you're a busy woman.
Yes.
Can you tell me your biggest aha moment with your business?
Sure. I think my biggest aha moment with my business, there are lots of them, but I think the one that really strikes me is when we first started and we got Facebook and an email and things like that, and we really started to hear from the masses and people that really appreciated the product,
right.
How appreciative, like you just said, that they were of a beer, an alcoholic beverage that they could drink that was within the guidelines of their diet, and it really made me feel good to know that they were getting enjoyment from that, and I felt like I had a purpose.
Wonderful, that's so exciting. So through your journey thus far, what has been your biggest challenge?
Our biggest challenge was in 2010 when there was a kombucha crackdown and all the kombuchas were measured in the country, and we came in over 0.5% of alcohol.
And that was, you had to be below 0.5%?
We had to be below 0.5%. We decided to become a microbrewery to retain the authenticity, and a lot of great things grew out of our microbrewery.
Thank goodness for that. If it weren't for the microbrewery, you wouldn't have your kombucha beer today, right?
Right.
All right.
Exactly.
Well, that was a good challenge, right? And do you have any words of advice for other entrepreneurial moms out there in our community?
I think that I want to say that for me, my family's always been first, and I would say that there's always a way to balance your business and your kids, and you need to arrange things sometimes, and you need to balance things, and sometimes don't let it put you off if the balance goes one way or another. As long as you're really striving for that balance, I think that's what really matters. So it can be done if you really want to do it and you love doing it.
That's wonderful. What is the age range with your children?
My youngest is 8 and my oldest is 18.
All right, so how do people connect with you?
They connect with us by emailing me at info@unityvibrationkombucha.com or calling 734-277-4063 or stopping by our tasting room in Ypsilanti, Michigan.
Good reason to go to Michigan, and you can find them on Facebook too. So welcome, and thank you for coming to visit us. Have a great night.